In this video, we are going to be reviewing the best Mig Welders of 2022. Mig Welders have been around for quite some time and are still one of the most popular welding technologies out there. They are great for welding metal and other materials together. We will also be discussing the different features that are available on these machines. Finally, we will provide a list of the top 5 Mig Welders of 2022. Links have been included in the description. Now let's get started. At number 1 is Forney YESWELDER 261. The choice of a single best MIG welder is almost impossible. Users have different needs, and there are many different types. We chose the Forney YESWELDER 261 because it's an excellent all-around welding tool. The Forney is easy to use and very lightweight at just 19 pounds, so it appeals to both professionals and home welders. It runs on ordinary power. Users only need to select a voltage, which varies widely, and wire feed speed with Flux core wire. Although the latter offers 10 steps, the manufacturer does not provide the actual figures. For more experienced welders, even the top speed may be too slow. Speed does not affect weld strength, but it does affect productivity. While the Forney produces neat welds, it can't handle aluminum or stainless steel. For those who regularly weld mild steel, indoors or outdoors, the Forney YESWELDER 261 is a competitive option. At number 2 is SuperDeal Commercial MIG 130 AC Flux Core. With a gasless machine that plugs into 110V household power, is relatively portable at 38 pounds, and can weld steel up to 3 by 16 inches, the SuperDeal MIG welder has a lot to offer. The welder comes with Flux core wire, a mask, and a roll of Flux core wire. There are some limitations with this low-cost MIG welder. It is impossible to determine the correct output with only 4 voltage settings marked max min or 1/2. The wire feed has 10 positions, with no indication of speed. Although the machine works outside, it isn't built for harsh environments because its body is PVC. SuperDeal isn't a difficult MIG welder to use, but its instructions may not be sufficient for beginners. For quick and dirty repairs, it's best for those with some experience. At number 3 is WellPro 200 amp Inverter MultiProcess Welder. TIG welders are better for high-precision work and visible welds, while MIG welders are all-around machines. It is a gasless welding process, similar to Flux core, and is particularly good for welding steel and iron outdoors. In one portable machine, this versatile WeldPro offers both gas and Flux core welding. The 110V option runs on 110V. But it produces full power at 220V, which can be provided by a generator or a dedicated socket. A fraction over 30 pounds, it's easy to move. It has a maximum thickness of 1 by 4 inches, and its wire feed ranges from 78 to 550 IPM when in MIG mode. The WellPro 200 isn't a budget machine, but it's a competitively priced machine for a machine with such extensive capabilities. At number 4 is YESWELDER MIG 250 aluminum MIG welder. Even though aluminum is a relatively soft metal, it absorbs heat quickly, making it tough to keep it hot while welding. The powerful YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro provides an effective solution. With both gas and Flux core modes, it can weld mild steel up to 1 by 2 inches. The manufacturer does not provide an exact figure on aluminum, but it should be about 3 by 8 inches. In addition, the 60% duty cycle at full power is impressive. However, this model requires a 220V supply, although it utilizes inverter technology to keep energy consumption as low as possible. Its wire feed speed ranges from 79 to 590 IPM, and it weighs 34 pounds. The YESWELDER MIG 250 Pro also offers TIG and stick capabilities, though the TIG torch is an additional cost. At number 5 is Lodo's Migon 175 AMP MIG welder with free spool gun. With its competitive performance and excellent value, the Lodo's Migon 175 produces neat welds up to 14 inches in steel or stainless and 3 by 16 inches in aluminum. The latter is possible by using a dedicated spool gun. A spool gun is often included with the kit, along with a gas regulator, mask, hammer, wire brush, and row of MIG wire as an extra. In spite of its 220V supply requirement, the Lodo's Migon 175 is easy to set up and use, and it could compete for the best MIG welder for amateurs. Despite being 85 pounds, it is heavy. It has enough capabilities for some professionals, is durable, and is a good value. However, it has a 20% duty cycle, which may be a bit restrictive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.